Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Before starting my videos, I would like to quote one quotation. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Myself, Mr. Lal Singh Limbu. My maximum qualification is Bachelor of Science and Bachelor of Education, both from Sikkim University itself. Right now, I am working as a graduate teacher mathematics at Tingmu Secondary School, South Sikkim, since last 3 years and 1 month. In my school, total number of students are 223. Among them, 117 are girls and 106 are boys. My school is located at the village area. It is 15 km from Rabangla and 25 km from Jorthang. My school, that is Tingmu Secondary School, is considered as one of the old remotest school in our district. That is why we will get lots of opportunities, lots of resources, lots of infrastructure from the department also. Now I would like to talk about that. I would like to talk about the problem that I have faced during my tenure. During my whole tenure, I should say I didn't face any kind of problem, but during the lockdown period, during the COVID lockdown, not only me but my whole staff have to face lots of problem. Now I would like to highlight some of the benefits, some of the advantages, and some of the merits of undergoing the training under the ZIIEI. After undergoing the ZIIEI training, I am able to learn so many important topics such as NEP 2020, that is a new education policy 2020, and I have learned so many other topics also, but because of time constraint, I am going to share some of the important topics only. Among the so many important topics, I also learned about that Bloom's taxonomy, which is one of the most favorite topic of mine. That is when I was in the B.Ed college. At that time I was very excited to learn about that topic because Bloom's taxonomy and revised Bloom's taxonomy is also there, and I learned so many activities that should be carried out at the school during the classroom period, so that all the students of the junior classes can actively participate on that activities, so that they can learn lots of new knowledge. Now I am going to share some of the qualities about my trainer. He is very resourceful. While he was giving us the training at that time, he was very competent regarding that uses of that information and technology. He was very competent in all his presentation also, and he has lots of knowledge regarding that education, psychology, child psychology. I am going to share about the one of the application, that is innovative Pathshala application. It is one of the most important and one of the very much advantageous application. This application I was unaware before this training, but during this training my trainer introduced this application to us, and when I was using this application, it was very fruitful, and I used that application at my classroom also, and it is very fruitful. There is a lots of activities, and there is a lots of another books are also there, and there is a lots of activities which we can perform at our school, so that our child can learn something new from there. My school should be selected as a model school from my district because, as I already said, this school is located in the villages area, and there is a lots of feeder school also. And if luckily, if fortunately this our school is selected as a model school, then there will be a lot of opportunities for those teachers who are working in our feeder school. And I am fortunate to have such type of great teachers also in my school, because they are very much resourceful and they are very much keen and interested to learn something new and to transact their duty, discharge the duty effectively. That is why what I'm going to say is that it will be beneficial for our village, for our teachers who are serving in our school, and as well as for in our feeder school, for them also, it will be very much beneficial if our school is selected as a model school from our district. Lastly, I would like to request all the viewers to please like, share and subscribe this channel. If you do so, then this piece of information will get shared in social media, and all the teachers from our globe can access this channel and get information regarding ZIIEI and explore this training also.